Hello and welcome to LARPCorp. Today we are starting a new series on our channel where we take everyday household objects and use them to explain science.
So it's winter, it's cold, we're probably human,
Maybe.
We use coats to stay warm. But how do other animals stay warm without using coats? Well, some of them stay warm using blubber. And blubber, for those of you who don't know, is a layer of insulating fat used to regulate body temperature.
No. Blubber. How does it science?
How does it science?
Let's find out.
Welcome to the dinner table of science.
Science. Today we will be doing the blubber experiment. The materials you will need are listed as follows:
2 plastic bags,
vegetable oil,
buckets of cold water,
tape, and 1 measuring cup equaling 1 cup. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so what you need to do here is you take your first sandwich bag, right? And the cup, go ahead, you do that, and the cup of oil. What you do is you measure out 1 cup of oil. That's 1 cup of oil. You did it.
get that out of the way.
Okay, go ahead and pour that into the bag. Be careful while doing this. And now, you have 1 bag full of vegetable oil. Yummy. Don't drink this. Okay, now go ahead and you take the second bag and you turn it inside out. So the zipper part is on the outside. Then what you're going to do is you're going to shove that down into the bag full of vegetable oil. So go ahead and put that right in there. Thank you, kind sir. Then you kind of try and zip the bag with the second bag. So you just kind of get that lined up as much as you can. And this is where the tape comes into play. What you're going to do now is you're going to tape the sandwich bags together at the zip. We're using duct tape. You can use masking tape, Scotch tape, whatever tape will work, whatever tape you have. We just happen to have duct tape. As you can see here on my bucket, it is making a mess, so we duct taped it. Okay, go ahead. This is working out beautifully. It's quite beautiful. It's quite beautiful. And as you can see over there, we have 2 that we've already made to practice this technique. So there, that. And now you have your fat mitten, or AKA the blubber. This is our blubber. So, oh, hold up. We gotta make the second one. We're gonna do it at the same time. Oh yeah. Oh, we need 2 more. We need 2 more. 2 more. Because what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the same process without the vegetable oil. Okay. Thank you. So now we're going to do the same exact thing minus the vegetable oil. So just repeat that process. We're going to speed through it real quick. Go ahead. Shove it in there. Okay. Let's get that all lined up. And taped.
This is just going to be a lot of us eating.
Yep. It's okay. It's necessary. Science can be long sometimes, and it's okay. Enjoy it. Enjoy it while it lasts. This is a fun time, Miles. You having fun?
I'm having fun. Are you having fun?
I'm having a blast at the dinner table of science. Trademarked. Not trademarked.
We can't trademark things.
No, we can't.
Woo. If you thought we could trademark things, you are sadly mistaken.
Leave a comment if you think that we can trademark things.
Shut the hell up, Jeff.
Okay, so now you have 1 mitten, we are calling, without the blubber. Then you have the other one with the blubber. So what we're going to do is we're going to put one hand in the blubber, and the other hand in the not blubber, right? And we're going to shove our hands into the cold, cold water. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh, oh, oh. It's cold.
It is cold. It's ice water.
We have ice and water in here. So, Miles, how's your left hand feeling? The uninsulated glove.
The uninsulated hand is very cold right now.
It is very cold. And how's your insulated hand feeling?
It is less cold.
So Miles, how does 1 cup of vegetable oil cover your entire hand in this bag?
Well, vegetable oil is less dense than water, so when you shove it down in the water, it tries to float, but your hand is in the way, so the vegetable oil kind of gets smushed between the water and your hand, forming this thin layer. Now my fingers are actually getting really cold right now.
They are getting very cold. My left hand has almost had it. My right hand can keep going. It's insulated and warm and toasty. It's like I'm in a cabin right now. With my right hand, it's great. Oh, yep, this one's coming out. That is cold. That is very cold. Also, a little disclaimer, do not try this at home unless you have parental supervision. Supervision? Yeah, because this can be dangerous. You don't want to lose a finger because you want to do science by yourself. Science is always better with a friend, isn't it?
Science is always better with a friend.
Make friends and do science.
Do science with friends.
Science with friends. A new app coming soon. Okay, my right hand's starting to get a little cold now.
Mm-hmm.
It's
getting there.
It's getting there. As you can see, our right hand is able to stay in the water much, much longer than the left hand, than the uninsulated glove. Now it's time to discover why that is.
So, as we stated previously, blubber is a layer of insulating fat used to regulate body temperature. And an insulator is just a material that doesn't allow for heat to easily be transferred through it. Blubber is used as an insulator to prevent the heat inside a warm-bodied creature from escaping.
Now how it does this is through fat. And fats are simply just an organic compound with an acid at the end. These are called fatty acids. Now the longer the fatty acid chain is, the better insulator it will become. So say you take vinegar. Vinegar is a fatty acid, but it has a short carbon chain. This allows it to be a poor insulator. And if you take vegetable oil, it has a longer carbon chain, making it a better insulator.
So, as you can see in the experiment, our hands, we had an insulated hand and an uninsulated hand, and the insulated hand, insulated by vegetable oil, was able to stay underwater for a longer period of time before getting cold. So the heat took longer to escape from our hands.
So therefore, vegetable oil, good insulator. Now, we are going to try and upload every Monday and Friday for the foreseeable future.
Whether or not we're able to do this, we'll get there when we get there.
We will get there when we get there, but one takeaway from this video is, remember, science is always better with friends.